What's clear is that island specialist pigeons, like the dodo and the Manumea, are uniquely vulnerable to human disturbance. In poor light or at a distance, the two species look remarkably similar, and hunters sometimes shoot the rarer Manumea by mistake. Even low levels of bycatch can be devastating for a species already reduced to so few individuals. It is illegal to shoot Manumea, but people are often unaware of this, making education and communicating with local communities a crucial part of conservation efforts to protect the Manumea. Second, invasive animals compound the threat. Island endemics are often vulnerable to introduced predators, and the Manumea is no exception. Cats and rats raid nests, while pigs root up the forest undergrowth and disturb regeneration. Each adds pressure to a bird that already struggles to breed successfully. Invasives often target the more vulnerable young, and chick mortality is believed to be very high. As we saw earlier, very few juveniles have been found in the last few decades. This has led to speculation that the remaining adults are an aging population, and their numbers are not being replenished. Habitat loss is another challenge. While human-induced deforestation like logging and agriculture have fragmented the forest, they are not the only concern. Samoa's frequent cyclones can flatten large swaths of trees in a single event. The remaining forest is increasingly patchy, placing additional stress on an already fragile species. Samoa has recognised the Manumea's plight for decades. A formal recovery plan ran from 2006 to 2016, and this was renewed to run for another 10 years in 2020. Since then, projects supported by the Darwin Initiative, the Samoa Conservation Society, and even Auckland Zoo in New Zealand have continued the work. Locally, this includes the Samoan government's Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment, Manumea-friendly villages, and the Whaleasela Environmental Protection Society. Internationally, this includes Colossal Foundation, Flinch Marketing, Colorado State University, Toledo Zoo and Aquarium, the Zoological Society of London, and BirdLife International. The sheer number of organisations involved in the efforts to protect this one species is impressive and reflects the cultural importance of the Manumea, and also how its story has resonated with people and groups around the world. These efforts, whether cutting-edge tools or traditional knowledge, converge on two key areas: monitoring and community engagement. Scientists use acoustic surveys and local ecological knowledge to detect the birds, while communities are encouraged to reduce pigeon hunting, and schools use the Manumea as a flagship for conservation. By linking conservation to culture and education, these programs give local communities a direct role in protecting the Manumea, ensuring long-term support for the species.